Your style's not the best one, and neither is mine. Lately, I've heard a lot of bickering and infighting in the AOM community about which style is best. Did you go to a classical acupuncture school? Or are you doing TCM? Or is Japanese better? Or Korean 4-needle? My first mentor was a student of Jeffrey Wen's and could change a person's life in 1 or 2 treatments. Then I traveled to Japan. I met practitioners there that could take somebody's pain away without even inserting a needle. Finishing my doctorate, I met a Korean 4-needle practitioner that did amazing treatments. None of their styles were the best, but they all had a rich understanding of the systems they were using and how to apply those systems to the patient. As a community, we should seek to raise the community as a whole. After all, rising tides lift all boats. We should try to be the best practitioners we can be within our chosen context. Style's not important. Our understanding, contact with the patient, and ability to treat them is. So please, let's not concern ourselves with style. Let's find a rich understanding of what we're doing and raise the community as a whole. This has been Mark Parzynski. I hope to see you in the next video.